Barabarungamirite urimi bwa KAAO nibejanite mendekithia njira bakwirigira kuguna arimi ba KAAO aja Kenya bakiaria bugite arimi babatere kureagwa gukurukira akaunti ciao cia bank NTHUTI nyuma ya KAAO kao KEENDUA babwijite nyuma ya mawatho jege KAAO njira jareti ni ura wari minister wa urimi Kûmenyeera gutejanirwa ni abunge baukagitene ukau ni borete munino Rais Rigathi Gachagua gutetheria gutigira kuri na UTARIIRUA kungana ndene ya factory cia KAAO. Antoni Kathenya na Titoije.
Kamiti ya bunge nene ile yothanĩtie ya bunge kuma ntelile KAAO niendekithie mendekithia kathomba kiri urimi na wendia bwa KAAO mendekithia malaba kwirigira makareta kiguni miukoni arimi nyuma ya kuthithia musemania muja Nairobi mendekithia makamiti no tamama bwa mbele kamiti no nendekithietie atirimi ba KAAO bambire kurewa mbesa imwe kwa imwe kuma thokoni mpaka miukoni yao itegwetukira miukoni ya antu bangi mutaratara ujukirigagira kuthithika gwitukira mutambo wa direct settlement system kana DSS.
We have said that there are new regulations, and a centerpiece of those regulations is what we call the direct settlement system. Yes. A very, very important component that will ensure that when the farmers, when the coffee is sold at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange, the farmer will be paid directly. The farmer's money will not have to pass through 5 or 6 or 7 steps, through the miller, through the marketer, through the cooperative. The farmer's money will be paid directly. And we are looking forward that soon, after the coffee is sold, the farmer can get his money maybe in a week, maybe in 2 weeks, because it is possible with today's technology. And that DSS must be regulated by, must be carried out by a licensed bank.
The direct sales, the direct settlement system is actually going to be introduced. And we are saying as a system, we are saying as the caucus membership, that the farmer is actually the center of the coffee business in this country. Yes. That the issue of guaranteed minimum returns that we have actually talked about for many years is here and coming. That as a sector, we want the coffee in this country to take its role, that it has been the main foreign exchange earner.
So we are here and we have declared that we want all the coffee farmers to get back to their farms and start farming, because with the agreed minimum returns for coffee, then they'll be able to benefit from their coffee prices.
Boajiri kamiteno nendekithiti mutambojo wa DSS utumire kunenkanira mikobo kiri arimi kamiti na lyokilegia thirikari gutigira arimi ni bagukinyanwa ni kigina kia Jere Advance Fund mwena ogu ni bauritie thirikari gutigira asalia thoko kana marketers bate kunenkirwa kanya gukobera arimi mbesa.
And then on top of that is the cherry fund. We need to have it working, and I'm happy that the standing committee already have a document that we are going to table in the House to ensure that we have the cherry fund getting to the farmers before the cartels go to the farmers to lend to them.
And we are requesting our Deputy President to move with speed and address the issue of borrowing from the farmers, advances to the farmers by the marketers who are not regulated by the central bank, and also review the issue of Nairobi Coffee Exchange.
So we have agreed that the Coffee Cherry Fund should actually be a revolving fund, and that fund can only be utilized or can only revolve if it goes to a place where the farmer meets the market and the market is able to now return back the fund, so that the fund can now revolve and other people can be able to access the fund.
Kamiti no ithanithite na mbele na kwelithia atiri nontu bunge nitejaniriti watho urware mwikirene waziri wa ukabere Peter Munya watho laba kugane kwa ingagira arimi kuthi kwendia KAAO thokoni kwino batarule ubwa unions ja KAAO kuoya kanya na kuthi thoko nene na kwendia KAAO kutena kigilile no giko.
We want to appeal with a lot of urgency because there is no lacuna. Every interested and qualified player who want to access the Nairobi Coffee Exchange on behalf of the farmer should be allowed to do so.
And we've told cartels that we are removing you from the value chain of the coffee. We don't want cartels, we want the farmers to get the benefit of their sweat. Yes. So cartels, your days are numbered. We are walking the talk.
Yes.
Previously, people were talking, they were not acting.
Yeah.
We are talking, we are acting, and we will deliver for the farmers.
Na bwakana kamitino ni uliti munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua kwaranĩria na waziri wa wĩkaria Profesa Kithure Kindiki kenda gũtigĩra factory ya KAUWA nĩ ikunengera wĩkaria kenda kũthiria thĩna ya wamba wa KAUWA.
And one of the challenge we have had is the issue of security. There is a lot of theft of coffee in our factories, and I think it's important the standing committee and also the deputy president to immediately move swiftly and ensure that our coffee is secure while we are looking at those things.
We have also noted with a lot of concern that most of the factories are closing down because of the mismanagement thereof by most of the coffee cooperative societies. We are very, very alarmed that even some of the factories have been vandalized. And therefore, because now we have the new window after the Munya regulations have been annulled, we want to ask our farmers to come together. Form your associations of farmers now. Make sure you have your unions in place because you can now access the market.
This committee or the caucus is actually selling hope to them that now the days of the cartels are over, that the cartels who have actually controlled the sector and actually send the farmer to the periphery is actually their days are numbered.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.